Hi friends, welcome back to Blue Dragonfly Fiber Arts. I have an exciting weaving project to share with you today, and why I'm sharing it now before it's finished is because I am taking part in a July Makes 2022 challenge hosted by my very good friend Jeanette at DOY Creations. Go check out her channel and I will link the video below. She will tell you the details of the challenge, and we're basically all working on our WIPs, anything that you've had in your project lineup. It doesn't matter if it's been a year or a month. We're going to try to knock all these out in as many as we can in the month of July, and she has some really awesome prizes for the winner. So go check her channel out, and I am going to show you one of my WIPs. So I'm working on a bracelet loom by Daughter Handwovens. It is a wonderful female-owned business. They are super creative, very nice, and I will also link their information down below. This was their bracelet kit. Now, inside of this, everything fits so nicely. There's a little spacer that I don't have here at the moment, and there is another little beater that fit here, but I decided that I like to work with this one instead. So this is kind of what you're using to comb things in place. But what I wanted to show you, so this is one of my WIPs that is going to be entered for the challenge in July, and I worked on it upside down, but there. This is the bottom of the bracelet. It's my own pattern. There are two patterns that came with the kit. I will make those at another time, but I sat down and it's quite addictive. By the time, I don't know, I got about 2 minutes into it, and the next thing I knew, it just took on a life of its own. And so this is what I have so far, and what I'm going to show you in this quick tutorial is how to attach beads to a bracelet loom when you have it right on the project. So it's super quick. You can do it on any loom. So I have the loom. The bracelet is already warped on here. I have a crochet hook made by my friend Pricilla from Distinctive Crochet. She made this for me, and I'll also attach all these videos and people that I'm mentioning. I will, in links and such, I will attach them below. So I use this hook. I have a needle that was included with the kit, and my own beads, and a needle threader. So it's very easy to attach these, and I will show you how to do that. So here you have the loom, and as you see right here, this is where my thread is coming out. Now, what we're going to do, first of all, I'm going to take the beater and just see how it fits in there, and just push the threads over. Look how nice that is. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the beads on. So I'm going to put this one on, and the second bead, and then this interesting square bead. And now take the crochet hook, put it through the end like this, grab your embroidery floss, pull that through, then you're going to take your beads and you pull it, but because this is attached to the loom, I don't want to pull the wrong string because this is going to cinch up, and that's not what we want. So I just kind of give a tug to make sure I have the right end, and I do. I pull that out by hand gently, take this off the threader, ta-da, and you have the beads right on your project. So what we're going to do here is just, I'm going to show you up close. There's the beads. I'm going to tie a knot. So see, here's your beads. Get as close to the bottom as you can, like so. Now, we're not going to continue weaving just yet. And no matter what position you are in a loom, whether you're in an over or an under, it just so happens that this is the over position. I'm going to go over, but just come back around and stick my finger there. So I have a little loop. See? Look, now we tied this on. That is so cute. And I just wanted it to be a little avant-garde, so I don't necessarily need those dangling or anything. I just wanted a little interesting element there. So now I'm going to go back on the other side of this bead first and cinch it up. So now we're going to go back through. So whatever, if you can see this row here, I'm going to go the opposite way and continue with my weaving, but I'm just going to push this out of the way, repeating the over under pattern. Go to the other side, and now we have secured that in place, and it just adds a little fun. Oops, I have lost my tail. What's good about working with something so small and using a needle threader is you don't have to go back in and do that whole thing. You can just use your threader, rethread the needle, and then come back out. Okay. So here is our little beater. And not beater as in bead, but beat as in like a beater for a mixer, but it's actually a beater for this. So you can just beat down the fabric, or in this case, the threads. So see how cute that is coming along so far. And I'm going to add maybe one more element here and then just continue with the weaving, and at the end I will put on the findings and you'll get to see my whole bracelet. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this quick mini tutorial on how to add beads onto a bracelet loom, and I will see you in the next one.